Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and season greetings to you all. So today I am going to be sharing with you how to make this delicious and soft bread dinner rolls. This is super delicious and it's super soft. So now let's get started. In a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add some warm milk, yeast and some sugar. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix this to dissolve the yeast. So now I'm going to leave the yeast to bloom. So once the yeast has bloomed, I'm going to go ahead and break in 1 egg. Then I'll add some butter. Then now I'm going to give it a quick mix. Hey there, if this is your first time seeing this channel, you're welcome. Feel free to join the family. And please do me a favor by clicking on the red button that says subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So now, after mixing the butter and the eggs, I've just added some flour and salt. So we're going to mix this to form a dough. So now it's time to transfer to a work surface. So I'm going to sprinkle the surface with some flour so the dough doesn't stick. Then now transfer the dough on the flour surface. Then sprinkle some more flour on the dough. Then we're going to knead until we get a smooth and stretchy dough. So we're going to be kneading for like 20 to 30 minutes. If you're using a standing mixer, this is going to be very easy and quick. But because I'm using my hand, guys, it's going to take a while to get that stretchy dough. So we're going to be kneading for like 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes of kneading, so I've gotten what I need. So I'm going to form the dough into a ball, then transfer to an oiled bowl. Then I'm going to cover with a cling film and a kitchen towel. Then leave it at room temperature for an hour or until the dough has doubled in size. So guys, this is it. It's been 1 hour and as you can see, my dough has doubled in size. So right now I'm going to take out the fan. Now sprinkle some flour on the surface and transfer the dough. So at this point we're not going to be kneading it. Just punch out the air. Now flatten it a little bit just as you're seeing in the video. Then divide and cut into smaller pieces. So once I'm done cutting, I will take one of the dough, then just gently press the dough. Now fold and roll into a small ball shape. So guys, just like this, then set aside. So guys, once I'm done, I'm going to rub some butter into my baking dish, then place a baking paper and transfer the dough into the baking dish. So guys, this is it. Look at how beautiful they are looking already. So once I'm done, I'm going to cover with a cling film and a kitchen towel. So leave it at room temperature for 30 minutes or until they have doubled in size. So now after 30 minutes, I'm going to prepare some egg wash. So in a bowl, break in 1 egg and add 2 tablespoons of milk. Then whisk until it's light and set aside. So guys, you can see my dough has doubled in size. So now we're going to brush the egg wash on the dough. So once I'm done brushing the egg wash, I'm going to place this in a preheated oven and bake under 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So guys, after 20 minutes, this is it. Look at my bread, look at my dinner roll, guys. By now your kitchen should be smelling so fantastic. So at the point where the bread is still very hot, just rub in some butter, guys. This aroma is something that you cannot resist. I wanted to wait for this bread to cool down before eating it, but I couldn't wait, guys. I just went ahead and eat it while it's still very hot. So guys, it was super delicious. This was super and the aroma is super. Just go ahead and give this recipe a try. I promise you, you're definitely going to love it. Look at how beautiful they are looking and they're super soft. So guys, this is my dinner roll or my bread recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching.